Welcome back to exercise 8, wiring 6 light bulbs and 1 fan using 2 gang switch and 1 gang switch. In the previous exercise we used a 3 gang switch, but in this exercise we splitted the 3 gang switch into 1 gang switch and 2 gang switch. The objective sounds familiar to you except the 1 gang and 2 gang instead of the 3 gang. Yeah, you might wonder, why do we use 2 switches instead of 1 switch? Simply because sometimes the loads are not located in one place, which means, for instance, assume the 6 lights are located in the corridor and the fan is located in the kitchen, and you want to control the lights from the corridor and the fan from the kitchen. So in this case you would use 2 gang switch and 1 gang switch instead of 3 gang switch. That's it. Procedures. As you can see, nothing has changed in the wiring. You can manage it easily. Phase wire, loops, neutral wire, loops, earthing, comb, loops, etc. Well, this was everything for this lecture. I'll see you in the next exercise. Good luck.